From the heart of the rainforest to the depths of the ocean, our planet is teeming with life in its most extraordinary forms. Prepare to be captivated by sights and sounds that seem almost otherworldly as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind some of the world's most fascinating natural phenomena. Join me, Gemi Gamal, as we traverse continents and dive into the unknown, witnessing the unexpected beauty and wonders that nature has to offer. From the intricate dance of bioluminescent creatures to the awe-inspiring power of geological formations, we'll uncover the science and stories behind these captivating displays. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer diversity and ingenuity of the natural world as we reveal the hidden wonders that often go unnoticed. This is a journey that will ignite your curiosity and leave you with a profound appreciation for the incredible planet we call home. We begin our journey in the lush, emerald embrace of the Amazon rainforest, a realm teeming with life in its most diverse and extraordinary forms. Here, amongst the verdant tapestry of leaves and vines, resides a creature so exquisitely adapted to its surroundings it becomes almost impossible to discern. This is the realm of the leaf insect, a master of disguise, clinging to the underside of a leaf, its body mimicking the very veins and textures of its leafy haven. The insect even sways gently in the breeze, mirroring the movements of the surrounding foliage. Predators, searching for a tasty morsel, are often fooled by the leaf insect's convincing charade. But this camouflage is not merely about avoiding becoming prey, it's also a hunting strategy. Lying in wait, perfectly disguised amongst the leaves, the leaf insect patiently awaits its own unsuspecting prey. The leaf insect's remarkable camouflage is a powerful reminder of the intricate connections in our natural world. Our journey now takes us from the depths of the rainforest to the vast expanse of the open ocean, where we encounter another marvel of the natural world, the humpback whale. These majestic creatures, weighing up to 40 tons and reaching lengths of over 50 feet, are renowned for their hauntingly beautiful songs and their awe-inspiring displays of breaching. The humpback whale's song is a complex and ever-evolving symphony, a chorus of clicks, whistles and moans that can last for hours. These songs, primarily produced by males, are thought to play a role in attracting mates, establishing dominance and maintaining social bonds within the whale pod. Breaching, the spectacular act of launching their massive bodies out of the water, is another form of communication. The sheer power and grace of a breaching humpback whale is a sight that leaves a lasting impression. As dusk descends upon the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a magical transformation takes place. Amidst the towering trees, a spectacle of nature unfolds that seems straight out of a fairy tale. Thousands of fireflies begin to flicker in unison, creating a mesmerizing display of bioluminescence. This synchronized display serves a crucial role in the fireflies' mating rituals. Imagine standing in the heart of this magical display, surrounded by a sea of twinkling lights. The air hums with the energy of countless fireflies illuminating the forest floor. For a brief period each night, the rainforest transforms into a living, breathing light show. Chapter 4: Celestial Dance, the Northern Lights. Our journey now takes us northward, far beyond the reaches of the rainforest, to the icy landscapes of the Arctic Circle. Here, in the celestial dome above, nature puts on a display of breathtaking grandeur and ethereal beauty, the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. As darkness descends upon the snow-covered expanse, the night sky erupts in a symphony of color and light. Shimmering curtains of green, pink and violet dance across the horizon, illuminating the landscape with an otherworldly glow. This celestial ballet is the result of a fascinating interplay between the Sun and Earth's atmosphere. Charged particles from the Sun, carried on solar winds, collide with atoms in Earth's upper atmosphere, exciting them and causing them to release energy in the form of light. Chapter 5: Life on the Edge, the Atacama Desert. We journey now to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, a place of stark beauty and relentless challenges, the Atacama Desert of Chile. Here in this arid expanse, rain is a rare visitor and life clings tenaciously to existence. Yet even in this seemingly barren landscape, life finds a way. Plants and animals have developed remarkable adaptations to survive in this unforgiving environment, where water is scarce and the sun's rays beat down relentlessly. The Atacama Desert, though seemingly desolate, is a testament to the resilience of life and the remarkable adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in even the most extreme environments. Chapter 6. The Blood Falls Mystery: Antarctica's Frozen Secret. Our quest leads us to Antarctica, the coldest continent on Earth. Amidst the glaciers lies a mystery: Blood Falls, a glacier stained by a trickle of blood-red water. The red color comes from iron-rich saltwater. As it surfaces, it oxidizes, turning rusty red. Blood Falls contrasts the white Antarctic landscape, revealing hidden wonders. Chapter 7. Shaping the Earth: Geological Formations and Volcanic Activity. Our journey takes us now to the heart of our planet, where colossal forces shape the very ground beneath our feet: geological formations and volcanic activity. Over millions of years, the Earth's crust has been sculpted and reshaped by these powerful forces, creating breathtaking landscapes that inspire awe and wonder. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the depths of the Grand Canyon, geological formations stand as silent testaments to the immense power of nature. Volcanoes, fiery vents that pierce the Earth's crust, are another reminder of the immense energy that lies beneath our feet. Geological formations and volcanic activity are not merely destructive forces, they are also creative forces, constantly reshaping and renewing our planet. Chapter 8. Survival of the Fittest: Evolution and Adaptation of Animals. Our final chapter takes us on a journey through time, exploring the remarkable process of evolution and the incredible adaptations that have allowed animals to thrive in diverse and often challenging environments. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the Himalayas, life has found a way to adapt and flourish. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the power of natural selection, the driving force behind evolution. Over countless generations, animals have developed unique characteristics and behaviors that allow them to survive and reproduce in their respective environments. Consider the giraffe, its long neck a perfect adaptation for reaching the leaves of tall trees, or the chameleon, its ability to change color providing camouflage from predators. These adaptations, honed over millennia, are a testament to the ingenuity of nature. Our wonderful world. From the camouflage brilliance of the leaf insect to the haunting melodies of the humpback whale, from the synchronized spectacle of fireflies to the awe-inspiring beauty of the northern lights, we have witnessed the extraordinary diversity and wonder of our natural world. These natural phenomena, often strange and inexplicable, serve as a reminder of the boundless creativity and resilience of life on Earth. They challenge our understanding of the world around us and inspire a sense of awe and wonder. As we've journeyed across continents and dived into the depths of our oceans, we've seen firsthand the importance of protecting our planet and its incredible biodiversity. Let this journey inspire you to learn more about the natural wonders that surround us and to share your own experiences in the comments below.